Today I came to visit one outlet called Vanita Sanitary Ware and Hardware. This comes in a street called Killadi Road, which comes in Bengaluru, India. So I'm just showing you the landmark. The landmark is this Yes Bank near Killadi Road. You can just check. Right next to that, there is a street. Inside this street you have to go. When you come little bit forward, you can just check. Here his outlet is a Vanita Sanitary Ware and Hardware. So this is outlet, exclusive wholesale price sanitary store. So this is outlet, you can just have a look. Vanita Sanitary Ware and Hardware. This is one more branch, exclusive wholesale price basin, bathroom accessories, commode and hardware. Also you will get very nice collections. Any more detail, number is on video screen. You can WhatsApp, video call them. They'll send you all details. If you want something like this kinds of basin, big one, you can just check. In this also they have lot of varieties, lot of designs are there in this also. In basins they have lot of varieties. If you want regular basin, starts from 300 350. If you want designer basins, marble finish like this. In this also lot of shapes, oval, square, regular shapes, designer shape, everything you'll get here. If you want for your home, for restaurants, for cafe, very nice collections. Wholesale price, this is lot of varieties are there, you can just see. And if you want something fancy like this, gold color and all, which elevates the looks of your house and all, you can just see the collections here. Very nice collection, all high quality basins. This is very few places you will get, very few places have seen these kind of basin. You can just see this color, black, wow, looks stunning this is. And if you just see this designer, like a fire design, plain gold, and just see here again, fantastic design, looks stunning. This all basins and all, size, shape, everything you will get here. Very nice collections of basins. And if you want small size also, in small size also you will get designer basin. Price I cannot tell because all price are different. And you can just see this also some exclusive collections of basin, beautiful collection. And this are also some lot of, he has more than 200-300 varieties in basins and all. These are also some designs you can just see here, stunning here. The designs that he has in basin, very few people. He is one of the best in terms of basins and all. Stunning, looks superb. All these collections are amazing. If you are looking for bathroom accessories, complete A to Z bathroom accessories you will get here. Branded bathroom accessories also you will get. Showers, taps, different designs, different varieties. You can just have a look. They have more collection. This is just sample. And if you want something exclusive shower panel like this, this also is there. In this they have one more design. This also they are having, you can just see exclusive design this is. And if you want something more exclusive basins like this, you can just see designer one. This also you can just have a look. Stunning this is. Black, gold, peach color. And this also basin, only big one, you can just check. In bathroom accessories you will get A to Z bathroom accessories here. Lot of collections are there, designs are there, quality is very good, colors also you will get. And their collection keeps getting updated regularly. So if you want in bulk also, you can easily get here. And if you want something exclusive panel like this, digital panels of showers, this also you will get here. Dispensers also you will get. Again, different panels like this. Bathroom accessories, you can just see your A to Z collections you will get of bathroom accessories. And bathroom accessories, this is also all bathroom accessories with soap and other different products. If you want with cabinets also you will get here. And if you want mirrors, regular mirrors you will get here. And if you want digital mirrors also you will get here. Again, this is one more collections of digital mirror. You can just have a look. Stunning this is. If you are looking for kitchen sinks also you will get. Regular kitchen sinks you will get, digital kitchen sinks you will get. You can just see here like this board, lot of space and all is there. You can just check. These kind of kitchen sinks, digitally operated kitchen sinks also you will get here. If you want regular also you will get. Colors also you will get in this. Looking for commodes, different colors, like you can just see this is a Dior color, I think, gold and different colors. So if you are looking for this, in this also you will get regular one, you will get designer one also, small also you will get, big also you will get. You will get your complete hardware products also. In this also, if you want these kind of hardwares, this also you will get here. Looking for curtain brackets, like this curtain brackets, different curtain brackets. these kind of handles. You can just see these kind of hardware. This also options are there. In this also lot of varieties are there. You can just see. And if you're looking for taps, designer taps also you'll get. If you're looking for these kind of bathroom mirrors, you can just see very small and flexible. This also you'll get here.